We are Roof to Deck Restoration, the Midwest leader in exterior wood restoration. And we're here to provide a new solution for your exterior wood restoration needs. Hydrowashing. Our newest service unlocks our ability to remove water-based paints and stains from wood that has not been available before. A first for those looking to bring their wood back to what it looked like when it was just built. Using a stripping media propelled by water, our process allows us to remove paints and stains from places that sanding can't. We've been in business since 1995, and as wood maintenance continues to change, so do we. So let us help you unlock the natural wood beauty hidden underneath your paint and stain. Contact us today to get a free quote and bring your wood back.